Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The Dell Precision 7780 is not designed to be an ordinary everyday laptop. This is a mobile workstation built for people who need serious processing power, a large display, plenty of memory, and professional-grade graphics performance in a portable system. This particular configuration comes with a 17.3-inch Full HD display rated at 500 nits, an Intel Core i9-13950HX processor, 128 GB of CAM RAM, a 1 TB SSD, an NVIDIA RTX 2080 graphics card with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and Windows 11 Pro. Starting with the display, the 17.3-inch screen gives you significantly more workspace than a typical 14 or 15-inch laptop. The 500 nit brightness rating is also useful for maintaining a clearer image in brighter environments. For professional applications where you need more room for timelines, spreadsheets, design tools, or multiple windows, that extra screen real estate can make a difference. The real focus of this workstation, though, is what's underneath the chassis. The Intel Core i9-13950HX is a high-performance mobile processor with a large number of cores and threads, designed for demanding workloads. This is the type of hardware that makes more sense for professional users running CPU-intensive applications rather than someone who simply needs a laptop for browsing and email. Then there's the massive 128 GB of CAM RAM. That's an unusually generous amount of memory for a laptop and can be particularly useful for professional workloads involving large datasets, complex projects, virtual machines, engineering applications, or heavy multitasking. Storage comes in the form of a 1 TB SSD. While 1 TB provides a useful amount of fast internal storage, professionals working with large video projects, 3D assets, or extensive datasets may still want additional external or network storage. Graphics are handled by the NVIDIA RTX 2080 GPU with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. This is where the Precision 7780 becomes particularly interesting for professional users. The RTX 2080 is designed for workstation applications and can be useful for workloads such as 3D design, CAD, visualization, rendering, engineering, and other GPU-accelerated professional software. It's worth remembering that a workstation GPU isn't simply about gaming performance. Professional drivers and application certifications can be just as important when you're working with specialized software. The laptop runs Windows 11 Pro, providing features aimed more toward professional and business environments than a typical home edition installation. Of course, a workstation with this level of hardware isn't really about being the thinnest or lightest laptop available. You're getting substantial performance in exchange for a larger workstation-style design. The 17.3-inch size also makes it more suitable for users who prioritize screen space over maximum portability. Overall, the Dell Precision 7780 is aimed at a very specific audience. If your work involves demanding professional applications, large datasets, engineering, CAD, 3D work, visualization, or heavy multitasking, the combination of the Core i9 processor, 128 GB RAM, and RTX 2080 graphics makes this a serious mobile workstation. For basic browsing, office work, or casual use, however, this level of hardware would likely be far more than necessary. The Precision 7780 makes the most sense when you actually